Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to another vlog. Hope everybody is doing well and stay safe as we can see the cases are increasing. And one more important announcement, please visit to our website which is www.azza.fashion.com, and there we had already uploaded some pictures of our new perfumes launch. So go check it out and buy the fragrance. If you like, please comment in this video. And today we are discussing about the skincare, which is very important during this period because summer usually you tend to get a lot of breakouts compared to winter because of heat and what you eat and stuff like that. And in UAE there is extreme heat. So before you start up your any skincare routine, the important is to understand and study your skin well to start off any product before you use. Okay, so the primary thing to know about the skin is to understand whether you having what kind of skin. There is three types of skin, which is oily skin, dry skin, and the combination skin. Dry skin are more blessed that they don't have any kind of breakouts. So usually everybody know that breakouts gives you a mark, but they get age fast. And oily skin without any conversation, oily skin always get a breakouts, but they don't get age fast. And the combination skin, which majority of the people have, where you get oil in your T-zones and rest of your face is dry. So sometimes that oil spreads out and also you get acne, spots. So today I'm sharing my skincare routine, what I'm using to keep my skin healthy, acne free, and blemishes free. Actually it's all depend on your diet and your stress level. So I just request everybody, I know everybody is going through a bad phase in this pandemic. Please don't take any kind of stress which reflects to your face, and whatever brands you use, it won't get rid of it. Like dark circles, if you don't get proper 8 hours sleep, which I'm saying, but even sometimes I struggle a lot to get to a sleep. So sleep is very important, exercise, and the most important ingredients for your skin is none other than water. I'm not sponsoring any Nestle water, but water is very important to your skin, which gives which keeps the pH balance of your body, and also it helps you to get not to get dehydrated. So and usually when you drink a lot of water, you flush out all the toxic from your stomach as well. And if your stomach is clean, your face is clean. If your diet is clean, your face is clean. If you are stress free, your face is clean. So all general topic is over. So let's jump to the main tutorial, that what I'm using. So before I used to use a Derma E face wash, but I feel that because of the salicylic acid, my face tend to get dry more. And one of my doctor, which I will highly recommend in this video, whenever I visit to India, I make sure that I visit to my dermatologist, which is Dr. Marwa in India, which is absolutely number one for me to achieve this skin. Because I got once I did a peeling and I destroyed my skin, and that is the first time I visited to him. He have several clinics in India. Go check it out to his clinic, and he will never recommend anything wrong to you, and he will never charge you unnecessary if you want to do so, but he will always guide you and give you some medication which is required for skin. Not like because he's a doctor and he can prescribe or he can charge as much as he want and you will never say no. He's more concerned to your skin than your money. So go check it out to his clinic, which is in India. I take care of my skin and I always follow his guidelines, what he told me for my skin, what is good. If I want to go for any cleanup kind of thing, I just find out any offers and Instagram, and I find out any dermatologist doctors here who do such facial treatments, because I never give my face in any hand which is a normal salon, because normal salons, they use the same equipments to you and to others, which is completely no for your skin. And me, I'm a very highly sensitive skin, so I never go for any facial or any cleanups to any salons. If I want to do any kind of treatment to my skin, I always go to a dermatologist, regardless of any for deep cleaning or hydrofacial kind of thing, because a proper nurse and the doctor know your skin. The salon people is not the therapist, they are the beautician, so they will use any tools which can cause any kind of big damage to your skin. So without all this general conversation, let's jump to my main tutorial. So for my face, to cleanse my face, it's absolutely the best practice you could do. So what I do is, for taking off my makeup, I used to use this Sephora makeup remover, oil and a water based makeup remover, but because of the pricing side, I come across with this oil, which is Johnson baby oil, and it does the same job. After I'm using this, I see the same result. So why to spend so much on the makeup remover? And also you can try from Bioderma. For me, this is the best. I apply all over my face to remove my makeup. First I apply this and I clean it with the tissue or a wet tissue, and in one go you will get rid of all your makeup. And then I wash off my face with this Cetaphil, formulated for oily blemished skin. This is my lifesaver. Without this I cannot take care of my skin well, because the main ingredients to my skin is my oral medication. Sometimes if I require for any acne I'm having and I'm suffering from heavy breakouts, then I do oral medication. But normally everything does is this. After you wash your face with this, you will get rid of all oils and everything, and your face is just like this, tight, like a lifted. You come out of any surgery kind of thing. It's such an amazing product, I must say. And this face wash has been prescribed to me by my dermatologist, which I mentioned earlier. Actually, he prescribed me normal combination to oily skin, but when I went to Boots Pharmacy and I saw this one, so I said it was in the offer and I was buying those Cetaphil products, so I said let me give it a try. And after I tried this one, so it's my own invention basically, it's just amazing. You will use and you will see the effect. So after I wash off my face, this is my nighttime skincare routine. Normally if I apply any kind of makeup, whenever I remove makeup, I make sure that I cover my pores and I apply a toner. So after I wash off my face with the Cetaphil, I use this Clinique toner, which is number 2 clarifying lotion, and this is like a exfoliating dry combination skin. So my face here, it's very dry and this part is very oily, And as I'm using sometimes some medicated cream, my skin get tend to dry more than the usual, so I use this. I just take in the cotton buds and then I apply. I don't apply very close to my eye area because this is for dry combination skin, and you get more if you just rub the toner here. You try to skin which is a natural oil which is over here, so which keeps your under eye area healthy and not get itch fast. So never apply a toner here, because toner always makes your skin dry if you are oily, and also this part is always very sensitive and dry, so you never use a toner here. Always try to use here and then makeup remover here. So I always use this part, this and this. So for the toner it's Clinique number 2. Now for my nighttime routine, if my skin I see a breakouts or I see a blemishes or I see the small bumps to my skin which is kind of whiteheads, I always use this Ordinary, which I always use niacinamide 10% zinc to zinc 1%. So this niacinamide, it helps you to get the excess oil, get rid of that excess oil from your skin, and it's ready for any kind of skincare you're putting on. So always wash your face, tone your face, and then before any kind of skincare always use niacinamide, so that it's kind of water based, so you don't need any more like minutes to get it dry. It dries so fast. I'll just swatch for you. So it's kind of water based, so it will dry your skin, like it will take the excess oil and then you can apply your skincare. So I had bought this from airport, Dubai airport. This is La Prairie. I know this is very highest brand and it's so expensive. I should not be recommending this on this channel, but I'm just giving my feedback over the brand. I had used a lot of skincare products, but nothing is better than La Prairie. I know it is the most luxurious brand for the skin and it is so super expensive, but believe me, it's worth it. So for La Prairie I use this cellular tonic. This is oil control tonic. You can see I'm using this bottle almost, I think, 2.5 years now, and I'm still left with this much. I use it because it's so pricey, so I use it like, you know, very generous amount. But even generous amount, even more amount, La Prairie you don't need to put so much. You just apply it little and then you're good to go. But this one, especially for the anti-aging kind of thing, like if you work in the shift patterns and if you don't get sleep, and this one is the best for your skin. Like you get that fine lines and wrinkles and the nose line and the smile lines. It really helped me for that. And you don't need to buy thousands and tons of product. Just use one product and the best. And then for my serum I use this one. I used to use the La Prairie serum, which was I think from the range of Caviar, but after I finished that it was so pricey that I could not afford, and this was the half a price from that. This is SK2 Gain Optics Aura Essence. It has like a white color serum. Yeah, so this gives kind of glow to your skin. If you have an acne prone skin and blemishes, so first treat that. So for the blemishes I always recommend Depiderm. For the blemishes always use a Depiderm. from Uriage. None other cream than that will work best for your spots. Depiderm, remember Uriage Depiderm, I will link in the description box. So if you are facing any difficulties with your blemishes and the dark spots, it takes time. Nothing is like a magic. One day you apply Depiderm and next day it will go. No, it will not work like that. You have to use like one bottle you have to finish, and you will see kind of difference. And any product you use, it takes 3 months to 2.5 months to get that result. And make sure don't keep changing your product often. If you're getting a result from one product, try to have that consistency to that product. I use this Chotusa, this tiny one. This is from La Prairie. When you buy their products, they give you like this kind of miniature. Usually I used to buy from them like when there was always discount during the time of a December for 25% in Dubai duty free. So I used to buy during those time, and I used to stock up my products from those discounts, which is pretty affordable. Normally if you go to any Sephora or any skincare Paris gallery, you cannot afford that original price. And that Depiderm Uriage which I spoke earlier about, that you can use during the day because it has SPF in it, and during the night. Whenever I buy these big bottles, actually they come with a very big huge package. Of course it's a luxurious brand, so they should have those kind of packaging. But when you ask them that what I will get if I buy this, usually they don't say, but you have to ask. So they say, if you buy this, I'll give you the setup of this, I'll give you the miniature of this range. So I got this range. I got this white caviar and face cream and the eye cream, and I got these miniatures, these 3. Yeah, so I'm using now. Actually this product, you just take a little and you are good to go. You don't need so much. So it has this kind of pump, and this one says Emulsion Cellular Radiance. This has a SPF 30. And let's talk about this, what it does. It gives you, like you apply today, and then next day morning when you just go to the bathroom, and next morning you will see your face is like, I don't know, that glow. And whenever you're using the serum, don't mix 2. If you're using one range, try to stick it to the one range. Don't jump it and mix and match. Provided if you're using any vitamin C's, you can mix with serum, it's fine. And also I forget to share, there is one vitamin C concentrated 5%, I think, from Pharmaseries brand. That is a bomb. It's a kind of oil base, but because I tend to get sometime breakouts with any kind of oil product. And then for the face cream, I use this La Prairie white caviar. It's just a bomb cream. I'll just show you how does it look like. It look like this. And if I'm short of any kind of this high brands, use Depiderm. I don't change any other cream to that. And also if I'm running out of all these serums, I'm going to use only Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair, because my skin does not accept so much products. Sometimes drugstore products are giving me kind of breakouts. So whatever suits my skin, whatever product I'm used to, I just use that. So for the face, this is the one which is with the caviar, and you know caviar is so beneficial for your skin. Even if you just eat like that, it's just amazing. And for my eye, I use this normal. This is also caviar, but this is the classic one. This is Skin Caviar Luxe Eye Lift Cream. This is also from La Prairie, and you can see I don't know whether I have to share my age on this social media, but you see, I'm so much like I used to work in the shift patterns where we used to have 12 hours a day duty, and we travel and we go in the transport, and including those transport hours, it's 14 hours, and then come back in the traffic. Sometimes you don't get to have that peaceful sleep, the sound sleep, and still, alhamdulillah, by grace of Allah, I have a better skin. So you see, my skin is not that wrinkle and age, because you have to start taking care of your skin at your 20s, so that as you age, your skin is still healthy and perfect. So for my skin, for my eye, I always use this. And now I'm not prescribing or I'm not recommending any medicated products here. I'm just sharing my experience. I used to have a very severe acne when I gone through a kind of stress in my life. It was like disaster. I never had those many acnes to my face, and then I was just wondering what's wrong, and I went to dermatologist. This is the Benzac gel. This is 10%, but which is very strong. I could recommend, if at all you want to try with the 2.5%. I'm not a qualified doctor to prescribe any kind of medication here. I'm just telling you that how does it help my acne to dry. Whenever I used to apply any benzoyl peroxide, not 10%, any percent, 2.5, 5, whenever you have any spots, like you see this active pimple, and you apply here overnight, leave it, you see the next, that pimple either dries out that area or it's just inside. So if at all I am going through that acne kind of phase, usually all ladies during their monthly cycles, 3 days before or 5 days before, they always go into kind of acne situation, that you get guest here or guest here or guest here. So those times especially, this should be your friend, benzoyl peroxide. This is it for my lips hydration. I only use Vaseline or Flexitol, Flexitol. Now we are going to be in winter very soon, so your body of course will get dry fast, and dry skin means itchy skin, and then when you scratch your skin, you get that lines, which is very bad for your skin. So this is my friend. So any winter, or normally before I sleep, I have a habit of like, it's not a habit, it's like my addiction now. So whenever I go to bed, I look for any cream beside me, that without cream I cannot sleep. Actually, it's so annoying. I know when I travel, that's what gives me this pain, that I want my creams to be with me. I cannot handle that dryness. Actually, this is my problem. And here, everywhere you go is a AC, so your skin get dry fast. So I highly recommend this Cetaphil. Just one use, and next day morning you will see the result. You will definitely comment in my comment section that how you like this moisturizer. It's just amazing. You cannot see that dryness next day in your body. It's just so amazing. And also it is a lightweight hydration, and it is fragrance free. So that's it for the face. And this is for the body, for the face. You can use for anywhere you want. Even for the young age people, you can let them try this. This is just amazing. For my body, usually I prefer Bath and Body shower gels. Tick Wood, from that I know it is a man collection, but believe me girls, that's my favorite. After you use that Tick Wood, you can just smell your body. It's just amazing. But I'm trying this aromatherapy now. This is a stress relief with eucalyptus and spearmint. So any shower gel from Bath and Body Works, I loved it. If at all I don't have time to go to buy, or I'm running out of the shower gel, this for my body, which is Cetaphil bar. This is like a soap bar. I will just, this look like this, and this is very nice for your skin, and also it is an antibacterial cleansing bar. If at all I'm running out of any face wash in my life, or I'm stuck somewhere where I cannot find my Cetaphil face wash, either I will use Himalaya oil control face wash, or simply I will use this. This is my childhood soap, by the way. When I was very small, anything to do with the skin, for me, I used to feel like Dove is the most luxurious, and I used to always buy the Dove soap from my pocket money, I remember. Well, this is it for my skincare, body care, shower care. And one more thing I did not mention, I use these body oils. I used to use from the Jo Malone earlier, but again it is a pricey point. So I start using this Palmer's body oil, which is very nice. So after you take a shower, your skin, your pores opens. So whatever hydration you will put to your skin, this is how your skin will remain healthy and soft. So this is it. You don't require any body oil. It just gives you that kind of shine. This is enough for you. So whenever you go to any pharmacy, just check out the Cetaphil offers, this with this, and you can buy one more, which is sunblock, and then you are good for 3 to 6 months. So this is it. I will end up my video here. We covered all the skincare, and it's a bit lengthy video. I hope you guys enjoy, and some of my tips will be very helpful to you. And a last tip I want to give it to you all, that whenever you get to tend so much acne prone skin, you always mix apple cider vinegar and the equal amount of water, and you use as a toner. Believe me, in 1 month you'll see effect. It's a bit strong, it does work. Those of you who cannot afford these toners and stuff like that, that's the best toner. So hope you guys enjoy this video. If you want me to do any other video, please comment in the comment section and let me know what you want to see, so I'll come up with this exciting contents. And thank you for watching. Make sure subscribe to my channel, turn the notifications on, so you'll get notified of my upcoming videos. And please go check it out our website azzafashion.com, and also check it out our Instagram azzafashionglobal. There you can see the glimpse of our perfumes. And thank you for watching. What is this? I'm fumbling. Actually, I'm super hungry.